The mysterious sound of space.
In 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Emin discovered an unusual while analyzing data from a radio telescope at Ohio State University. The signal, which lasted for 72 seconds, was so extraordinary that he circled it and wrote "wow" in the margins of the data printout. This event, now famously known as the WOW signal, is the strongest candidate for extraterrestrial communication ever detected. Despite numerous attempts over the decades to locate the source of the signal, it has not been conclusively identified, leading to ongoing speculation and investigation regarding the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
The WOW signal remains an intriguing mystery, captivating both scientists and the public alike.
Love learning new things? Give a thumbs up and follow for more mind-blowing facts.